What's up, YouTube? My name is Gen-zel and welcome to my channel! So for today's video, I was challenged by Pixi Beauty PH to do the hashtag Flawless in 5 makeup challenge, wherein I need to finish my makeup look in just 5 minutes using all Pixi by Petra products. So ito, nahanda ko sila lahat dito. Ayan, yung mga I think na possible kong magamit in just 5 minutes. Nagpasobra na rin ako. Just in case lang naman na ma-beat ko yung 5 minutes, like matapos ko yung makeup ko in less than 5 minutes. And makapagdagdag pa ako ng ibang product sa aking face. So, ayan. So, I will begin with bare face. Ayan, wala akong nilagay na makeup. I just have my moisturizer and that's it. Ayan, nakakaba. Ewan ko, I used to do this naman like pag normal days, like nagmamadali ka mag-makeup. Kaya-kaya kong matapos yung makeup ko in less than 5 minutes. Pero it feels different kapag naka-timer. Yung alam mong bilang yung oras mo na ginagawa mo yung makeup mo. Kaya ewan ko bakit ako kinakabahan, bes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes. Okay, let's start with the makeup fixing mist. And you can use this before and after makeup and even anytime during the day. And then next is the Pixi H2O Skin Tint. I'm in the shade number 3 Warm. I think ito yung darkest shade nila. And ang gusto ko dito yan, pag in-apply mo siya, very light lang, pero may coverage. Ayan, ang dami ko kasing ugat-ugat. Tapos dito sa forehead. Dito, sa may mga red parts. Mga pimples. Dumi-dumi lang tayo. Next is the eyebrows. We have Pixi Natural Brow Duo in Natural Brown. Tapos, retractable siya. Ito. Ayan. Ito tayo mahirap sa eyebrows. Okay. Napantay ko. Ano pagka may sobra pa akong oras. Tapos blend lang natin ng spoolie. Next, I'll be using the Pixi Glowy Morello. Tama ba yung pronounce ko na palette? And sa eyeshadow, I will just be using this dark shade. Tapos ganyan lang natin siya. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na itong palette natin. Tapos dito. And then, I'll be using the, what's this? Liquid Fairy Lights in Passion Lights. Ayan, lagyan natin siya sa gitna. Para medyo may shimmer. Okay. Then next, for the eyeliner, wala tayong eyeliners. I'll be using this black color sa palette. 2 minutes na lang. Medyo. And then, curl our lashes. Oh my gosh, ano pa? Ayan, curl natin lashes. And mascara, I'll be using the Lenghty Fiber Mascara. Ito yung medyo may fiber siya. Kaya nakaka-lengthen agad. Ang ganda! Meron kasi ako yung lash booster nila. And super love ko yun. Pero ito, mas mukhang magiging love ko siya. Ayan. Tapos, blush. Oops! Oh, again, the palette. Ayan. Gamitin natin tong shade na to for the blush. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Oops, nalagyan ko lang ako ng mascara dito. Ay, maganda to ah. Ayan. Tapos, lipstick muna tayo. Para pag may sobrang, seconds. Oops. This is MatteLast liquid lipstick in evening rose. Ano yan? Ganda. Oh my gosh. Ayan. And I also put some mascara sa aking lower lashes using the lower lash mascara ni Pixi. Favorite ko to. Ayan. I have 20 seconds left. Okay. Oops. 10 seconds. Lagay tayo ng highlighter. Ito yung bago nila. Glowy Gossamer Duo. Highlighter. Naka-highlighter pa. Ayan. Okay. I think that's it. 2, 1! Yay! Ayan, stop na natin. Oops, paano ba to? Okay, so I'm done. And ito ang aking na-finish na look. O, diba, naka-highlighter pa ako. Not bad. I think I can wear this outside. O, diba? I love the lip color. Lips talaga yung magdadala sa, alam mo yun, sa makeup. Ayan. Wait, tanggalin ko lang yung nagmamadali. So, this is my finished look. That's it for my makeup look in just 5 minutes using all Pixi by Petra products. Let me know down in the comments if pasado ba sa inyo yung nagawa kong makeup look in just 5 minutes. And also, I'm inviting everyone to join the Pixi #Flawless in 5 Makeup Challenge and get a chance to win 25,000 worth of Pixi by Petra products. Guys, sobrang dami nun. Oh my gosh. You'll love their products. Plus, they're also cruelty-free and paraben-free. Okay, so for the mechanics, just go to Pixi Beauty PH and Glamourbox PH on Facebook and Instagram and also on their website. I'll be putting all the details down in the description box below. And ayun, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. And also, subscribe na rin kayo sa aking channel para mas marami tayo. And don't forget to click the bell button below para ma-notify kayo every time I have new videos. Okay, maraming salamat po sa panonood. And I will see you guys next time. This is me, Gen-zel, signing off. Wishing your day to be as flawless as your makeup. Bye!